In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar. This is a great way to keep all your schedules aligned in one place, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or appointment. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make your way over to the Google Calendar website. You can use any web browser you prefer, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're there, you'll notice a list of all your calendars on the left-hand side. Find the specific calendar you want to link with your Notion account. Beside that calendar's name, you'll see 3 little dots. Go ahead and click those. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From there, you'll want to choose Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll access all the essential settings for your calendar, allowing you to integrate seamlessly with Notion. In the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find Integrate Calendar on the left. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see a couple of different URLs and codes become available. Now the next step is crucial. You'll need to copy either the public URL or the embed code from here. Both options work, but choose the one that suits your needs best. The public URL is simple and straightforward, while the embed code gives you more control over how the calendar appears in Notion. Alright, with your URL or code in hand, head over to your Notion account. Make sure you're logged in and navigate to the page where you'd like to embed your Google Calendar. This could be a page dedicated to scheduling, a team project overview, or even your personal dashboard. Once you're on that page, it's time to paste the calendar link. You can do so by clicking into an empty text block and simply pasting your copied URL or code right there. It might look a little out of place at first, but don't worry, that's completely normal at this stage. Next, keep an eye out for the options that appear after you paste the link. You'll see an Embed button pop up. Go ahead and click on Embed. This will create a visual representation of your calendar directly within the page, allowing you to interact with it just like you would on Google Calendar itself. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now integrated into Notion. You can manage all your events, appointments, and reminders directly from Notion, adding a new layer of efficiency to your workflow. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.